Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Karma for the guy who honked at me for no reason. I think this dude's about to hit the tire indicator.
Twenty minutes later.
This driver runs the red light, inches off my bumper, passes on the shoulder and cuts off the car in front of me. No merge sign ahead, but drivers in both lanes decide to just slam on their brakes. This Nissan driver has their own lane to pass.
Finally added. Donut told me about your idea to use one of your own bones or whatever to get out. People have bones for a reason, Carl. No. Black Ellie said, it's all or nothing.
Entitled egomaniac Lambo driver stops in the middle of the road to get out and tell me to slow down. Prior to the entitled egomaniac stopping, I'm totally riding his bumper, by the way. This idiot crosses the on-ramp and off-ramp to take his exit. Why does this old man drive on the wrong side of the road? I don't think you can drive there, mate. Did you know that you don't have to stop at red lights if your car is loud? I'm not even going slower than traffic, but hey, at least you got to the red light first. Watch until the end. Who put the question mark after the word strap? This red truck driver cannot decide on a lane. What is scraping under that car? This idiot nearly ruined my morning. There are a lot of things I
A
can
few
fix, but
moments
stupid
later.
isn't one of them. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.